Hey, hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Char, and today we are going to finalize my paycheck budget for the first paycheck in July. I have been busy, so I went ahead and did my pre-plan off camera, and so I got my checks, and so I know what the amounts are, and so we're going to go ahead and finalize the bills and the payments, all of that. And it's just a quick video. I will do a separate video of me cash planning and where my money will go for my sinking funds. Side note, this is like really early in the morning. My voice is probably groggy and I'm so sorry for that. But I'm literally trying to record this real quick, and then I have to hop on the highway because my daughter bought her car, her upgraded car. We got it yesterday. So we have to take up some documents, and she has to take her cashier's check so we can pick up the vehicle, and then we are heading out of town. So it's a whole lot. So let's go over some numbers. My full-time paycheck, I got $1,654.58. My part-time was way more than I expected. It was $868.08. The other from the kids is going to only be $160 this time because my other daughter paid her $80 early. And then rollover for this paycheck, I have $68. So well, okay, so we have a total of $2,750.66 for my mortgage. The first half is $700. I've gotten my Ameren UE bill, so it's $1602. I have not got, well, actually, let me check my email real quick. Let's see if I've gotten the bill. Aha, I do have my bill. It just came. Okay, so it is $156.53, and then car insurance is $143.64. So that total is $1,016.19. If I subtract that from 2,750.66, we have $1,734.47 to go for our next section. So our variable, I'm doing 30 for a therapy for these next 2 weeks, 30 for medication. This credit card will be $125. The cruise payment is going to be $200 because I'm going to put $40 for my own portion in there. Groceries will be $175. Home is going to be $15, and fuel is going to be $160. Spending, all of this is the same, $40. Eating out is $30. Miscellaneous will be $5, and the buffer will be $10. And then I think I only have a couple more payments for this thing on this credit card, which is $50. Okay, so if I add up this entire section, Okay, so $870. And then I'm going to subtract that from our remaining of $1,734.47. Leaves us with $864.47. Okay, so then when we go down here, home maintenance is automatic, so it's always 75, and ally is 10. My sinking funds, I'm always do 360, but I have that rollover of 68, which I will include. So that will give us 428 that we are doing for sinking funds. And then for, I need to see, so 864.47 minus 75 minus 10 and minus 428 leaves us with $351.47 for an extra payment on this credit card, which will bring our total to, let's double check, $864.47, which then leaves us at zero. So that is it for our check. That's where our money's going to go. In a separate video, I will do our cash planning so I know exactly the denominations I'm going to get from the bank. And I will also do, well, if I can flip it, I will also do our sinking funds plan so we can plan where the $428 is going to go. But until then, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, blessed day and enjoy some sunshine. Bye.